Welcome to Reviews by Robbie. Today we're going to talk about this amazing light. It's the Gvm 80 watt light. It's a video soft light, daylight balance, LSP 80 LED light, whatever that means. We're just gonna go through some of the pros and cons. There's not that many cons. For the money, you pay $120 for this amazing light. Sometimes you'll get some good deals just like I did. I got two for under $300. So you can't beat this light. Spoiler alert, it's great. I'm just gonna go through some pros and a few cons about this light. Stick around. In itself, the light's actually pretty bright. We're actually lighting this whole YouTube scene with just one light and a sort of those lantern diffusers. It's actually at only 42% and we're actually pretty bright in this room. If I were to crank up the light, this is how bright it would get. So that's the light in 100%. I'm on an F1 on the ZV-1 at 800 ISO. I mean, that's pretty bright. Okay, first pro I like about the light is how light it is. Super lightweight, it takes no space. I can get two of these in a backpack and it's not super heavy. It comes with a relatively long cable. As you can see, I have it mounted on a C-stand and can actually go up all the way on the C-stand. It's not that bad. I do have the power adapter mounted on the higher end of the C-stand. You'll just have to get creative of sort of the cable management. Another pro I like about the light is the Bowens Mount. The Bowens Mount allows you to put different diffusers on the top. Easy to snap, easy to adjust, easy to take out, easy to remove. It's just an easy light to use. Right now, I'm lighting it with sort of a lantern type of light because I want sort of a overhead type of feel. You can actually put sort of the bell lantern head on it as well. So that's pro number 2. It also has Wi-Fi. So if you download the app, you can actually turn it on and off. Pretty cool. Super easy to connect. The price, I think, is the biggest pro here. For under $200, I was able to get two of these things on sale, just the light and the power adapters and this, I think this is called a Fresnel head. I don't know what this is, obviously, but comes with a couple gels, does not come with a light stand. So that is something you might have to consider when purchasing this light, but the price, I think, is the biggest pro. As far as cons, I don't think there's many cons other than if I were to complain, it is a little plasticky. It's not very premium, obviously, because it's $120. But another thing is I don't like how this rattles. That's a con, in my opinion. I really can't complain for $120 because the actual usability factor of the light is freaking amazing. So who is this light for? Who do I recommend it to? Anyone with a small budget and someone who's just starting out for content creation. I actually think a light is a better investment. If you were just gonna shoot stuff on your phone, I would actually suggest to get a $120 light, maybe a $100 C-stand, and maybe another tripod to hold your phone, and your production value goes up. So that's it. Make sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.